Turn around.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Howdy homies, your residential little chicken nugget here. Today I will be painting my jean jacket. This is actually a re-edit and a re-upload because the first time I re-uploaded it, I realized I sounded way more annoying than usual and my thumbnail was garbaggio. So, let's just do that again. Starting with the biggest no-no I did in this jean jacket journey. I did not use fabric medium. But you know what? I've been wanting to make a jean jacket for years, and the fact that I didn't have fabric medium stopped me every time. Now, coincidentally, my sister did end up getting fabric medium like a day or so afterwards, which I was kind of annoyed about, but to be fair, I probably would have found a reason to not paint the jacket even with fabric medium in my possession. So you know what? It'd be like that. Also, I plan to make sure it stays well. I don't know. I haven't washed it yet, but so far I've been wearing it for about a month now, and it's been pretty litty titty. The way I attempted to preserve it is that I just, after the painting process, I put on a thick layer of Mod Podge. I know Mod Podge is really hard to get out of clothes. I learned that the hard way. And also, if it does begin to crack, the paint will still be contained onto the jacket. I feel like if it looks a little torn and worn, it'll just look a little bit more punky, which honestly, I am always here for. As we watch me paint the details of the jacket, please enjoy the ambiance of my original song, Torn. There we go. Look at that. Hello, sketch come through. Much like Jenna Marbles, I have too much jean, to say the least. And my camera had died, and I was like, I know I should probably stop filming, and thus I should stop arting. But I really wanted to keep doing it because I'm extra like that. So instead of painting, I just sketched it. So that's what that whiplash of progress was. I don't really think this design needs any more explanation than what it already is. I really think it speaks for itself. You know, I am a black girl that wants to be goth so bad, but I also don't feel like buying a bunch of clothes or dyeing all of my clothes because, bro, I really like yellow. So this design, son of a witch instead of son of a bee, because I thought it would be cute. And she has a third eye, but then also, where are her eyeballs? We don't know. Where's Walter? It's the new game. And the T is actually an upside down cross. When I made the design, I showed my boyfriend, and I was like, he was like, yo, that's a cool design. So you're gonna make the T the upside down cross, right? And I was like, oh my god, no, I was gonna make the I an upside down cross. It wasn't even gonna be like a cool T reversal upside down situation, because I was gonna make the T like a regular capital T, which is very disappointing, if I do say so myself. But yeah, I was like, dang, I did not think of that. You're smart, thank you. And then I did this instead, and I like it. Now, the gradient is something that I decided to do last minute when I accidentally started like blending the white and the red together, and oh my god, it creates pink. Wow, what are we in kindergarten? We're learning the color wheel again. I didn't go to kindergarten. I don't know. When do you learn that? Anyways, yeah, the gradient. It was kind of an accident because I was like, it's kind of weird that certain parts of her features are red and certain parts of her features are white. So then with the hair, I wasn't sure exactly which to pick. So I sort of created a gradient on accident. And then I was like, you know what? I like that. You know what we're going to do? We're going to make the letters a gradient too. Or should I say a gradient? I don't think I should have said that, but it's too late. Anyways, so there it goes. There I am, just cleaning up the edges. Now it's Mod Podge time. For some reason I wanted to say it's clobbering time, like Ben 10 type beat, but no, Mod Podge time. I just put a few layers of Mod Podge completely over the entire painting, and then yeah, took the paint off. Instant replay. Ooh, reversal. Ooh, so satisfying. Ooh, editing. Yeah, that's all. Thanks so much for watching. You've just watched me do my best. Yep. Black Lives Matter. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. And goodbye. I love you all.